Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video for all of us out there that are still not digital. If you're doing laser templating and all that other stuff, then you're beyond this. But if you're still doing stuff manually, and I know there's a bunch of us out there, out here, wherever we are, that are still doing that, there is a program called DraftSight. It is free. It's made by Dassault Systems. When your measurements look like this, one of the toughest things is actually getting everything laid out and finding material usage, different stuff like that. So I took these measurements and I came back to the office and I put them in DraftSight, and I'll just show you that job right here. It's a really handy way to look at jobs and how everything's going to fit together. So here's all the pieces drawn to scale. Here's the slabs. Again, it's all to scale. This is an engineering software. It's way overpowered for what we're doing, which, that's fine. But you can see how I've, got every single piece, and I found out how I can nest it in to make it work. I have these pieces oriented how they lay out in the house, so I know the flow is going to match across the entire room. I'll just give you guys a quick little tutorial on how to how to draw stuff out really simply. Right up here, there's a rectangle function. You select a corner, you hit D for dimensions. It'll ask for the horizontal dimension. So we got a slab that's 122 and it is 70 inches tall. Bam, there's the slab. So we're doing an L-shaped vanity out of this. So again, rectangle dimensions. One leg of the vanity is 52 by 22 and a half, and then the other leg of the vanity, we'll start here on that corner. Again, dimension, we'll say that leg of the vanity is 22 and a half by 70. All right, so there's our vanity. Right now this is two separate rectangles, which can make it kind of tricky to move. You come back up here to the same little thing. There's a function called polyline, and that's where you can build your own line. So I just go through and I select all my points and intersections. There's the last one, so I just hit C for close, and there's my vanity, all as one piece. I can delete those, I'm done with them. So I can take this guy and lay it out on the slab. It'll be really close on whether or not it works that way. So we can rotate it. Just select it, right click, right there's rotate. You can either rotate stuff manually, or you can type in, I just want to turn this 90 degrees. Bam, there's the vanity rotated. You can use that polyline to build, pretty complicated, crazy shapes. But it all started with just a bunch of rectangles. Anyway, this makes layout just really easy. It lets you see exactly how much material you're going to use. Like this one, off the top of my head, just from the square footage, I would say, I'm going to need 2 slabs to get this, or maybe one big slab. I laid it out in here, and within a few minutes I realized, I can actually get a fairly small slab and this will all fit just fine. So I was able to save money by purchasing the smallest slab possible, and also just save time because now I don't have a bunch of remnants to deal with because I've over ordered. Anyway, if you can use this and it speeds up your process, awesome. Glad I could point it out to you. If you have any questions that I could possibly answer, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Like the video if you kind of dig what's going on, share it with people that you think could also use it. If you know more about DraftSight and can do more than what you've sort of seen here as far as countertops go, also, feel free to leave a comment. So any feedback and discourse is not only appreciated, but it's really helpful. Anyway, thanks for watching.